What's up, guys? Welcome back to YB Worx. It's your boy Nick, and in today's episode, Pearl back here is getting a brand new set of shoes. The first thing we gotta do is get all this Plasti dip off because I want the chrome, not the black. And honestly, the Plasti dip's old. It probably would have looked better if it was still fresh, and I might have rolled with that, but we're gonna get it off for now since it's all old. We're gonna have to try and go with some Goo Gone because it is old. It doesn't want to come off right. So we're gonna get set up and see how that works out. Alright, so first thing we gotta get done, get these sprayed down with the Goo Gone. Everything I found online says wait 10 plus minutes and it'll work easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them sprayed down, and then while we're waiting on the 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and get my pressure washer set up. Alright guys, so it definitely hasn't been 10 minutes. It's only been like 4, maybe 5. I don't know if you can see that. It's already starting to get like a texture going to it, but some of it looks like it's getting dry in certain spots. So I'm gonna just reapply a little bit and keep it looking kind of wet, make sure it's working good and everywhere, and then see if when we hit our 10-minute mark what it looks like, and then spray it down. Alright, so 10 minutes is up, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but kinda running out of daylight here. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and get after it and get this done before it gets dark. Alright guys, it got dark while I was doing that, but that's kind of the result. So it took it off for the most part, but I think it's gonna need a couple of coats, and honestly it would probably help if I'd had the heat from the sun still up too. But that was our first go. I said we'll get them sprayed down again tomorrow and see what it looks like after round number 2. Alright guys, so it's the next day. You can see a lot better now where I got. That's one good spray down. You can tell, like, not the best day out here today, but we got these cleaned up. Now there's still some left in there, but it's not bad. It got most of it off now. Just put a little elbow grease in and get the rest, and we ready to go get tires put on.
I think you Gucci.
That looks good as hell.